Hey folks, and welcome to this weekly update of tech news from myself, Sarah Lean. This episode was recorded on the 16th of February 2024, so let's dive in. In Azure news, it has been announced the general availability of FIPS, so FIPS 140-2 Level 3 hardware security modules for Azure Key Vault. These hardware security modules provide robust protection for cryptographic keys meeting stringent security requirements. Additionally, Azure Key Vault Premium hardware security modules are now PCI DSS and PCI 3DS certified, ensuring compliance with industry standards. Existing and new customers can take advantage of these enhancements at no extra cost. So if you're using Azure Key Vault already, consider creating new key versions to benefit from these improvements. We've also heard now that Zone redundant storage is generally available for Azure Disk Storage in the Canada Central region. So Zone redundant storage ensures synchronous replication of data across 3 availability zones, allowing disks to withstand zonal failures without affecting your application. This feature enhances virtual machine availability and can be used with shared disks for clustered or distribution applications. Now, an exciting general available announcement is Azure Elastic SAN. And this is a fully managed and cloud-native storage area network solution. This offering simplifies deploying, scaling, managing and configuring SANs in the cloud. Azure Elastic SAN provides seamless migration of extensive SAN environments to the cloud, combining efficiency at scale with the flexibility of cloud storage. Notably, it adopts a SAN-like resource hierarchy, dynamically distributing resources to meet diverse workload demands across databases, virtual desktop infrastructure and business applications. Additionally, it offers features like scale on demand, policy-based service management, and cloud-native security enforcements. This generally available release includes enhancement performance metrics, Azure policy support, and the removal of snapshot export sign-up process. Generally available for Azure Firewall, we've had 2 significant updates. So the first one is flow trace logs, and they are generally available, providing more visibility into the TCP handshake process. These logs reveal additional details such as SYNACT, FIN, FINACT, RST and invalid, making it easier to troubleshoot packet drops and asymmetric routes. The second announcement is that Azure Firewall can now autoscale based on the number of connections, in addition to throughput and CPU utilization. This enhancement ensures that the firewall adapts dynamically to varying traffic patterns. Moving into the public preview world, we now have parallel IP group update support in Azure Firewall. Previously, administrators had to update IP groups sequentially, but now you can simultaneously update up to 20 IP groups referenced in an Azure Firewall policy. This enhancement streamlines configuration changes, particularly for those using a DevOps approach. Also in public preview, 3 upgrade policy modes for virtual machine scale sets has been announced, so let's break them down. The first is automatic upgrade policy. In this mode, the scale set doesn't guarantee the order of VMs being brought down during upgrades. It might take down all the VMs simultaneously. Now, this approach is suitable for dev test scenarios where uptime isn't critical during configuration changes. The second policy is manual upgrade policy. Here you decide when to update scale set instances. Existing virtual machines remain unaffected by changes to the scale set model. New instances use the most up-to-date model. Now, this policy suits workloads with varied configurations and specific update requirements. The third policy is rolling upgrade policy. Upgrades occur in batches with optional pause times. You have more control, including batch size, maximum healthy percentage, and multi-zone upgrades. Max Surge can replace old model virtual machines with new models. This is ideal for production workloads needing consistent availability without compromising uptime. Thanks for tuning in, folks, and please don't forget to leave me a review, share this podcast and subscribe on whatever platform you are listening on. And I'll see you all again soon.